Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're talking about a recall that affects one of America's favorite truck manufacturers. Now, this is actually Toyota, but it is a very popular truck. So before we get started, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button. It helps a small channel out. And at the end of the video, make sure you thumbs up and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. We have a lot of great stuff coming up. So really cool. So starting probably in July, Toyota will start working on this fix and remedy. They're recalling 500,000 Tundra trucks. Now, you want to know if your truck is affected. Well, if you own a 22 to 25 Toyota Tundra, it most likely could be. And I will link down below, then it hits a website where you can go over there, put in your VIN, and see if it is currently affected. Now, what is this about? It's about the backup lights and saying that they might crash going backwards because you cannot illuminate it. So as you guys know, for the longest time, it's been required for vehicles to have backup lights equipped. Apparently, some part in the manufacturing process, these lights can allow moisture into them, causing them to short out and not work. So basically what's happening is Toyota is going to have to replace those rear tail lamp assemblies that involve the backup lights. And then in addition to that, they're also going to check and maybe replace your connectors if they do show moisture and or corrosion. So you might be thinking, wow, this seems kind of odd. Well, again, it's a new series or a new generation, if you will. It's only a few years into it. Toyota has not been immune. They had the big bearing engine issue that affected tons of the Tundra trucks. But Toyota is still ranked one of the most reliable full-size light-duty pickups on the market. But this is something that, again, it could be something if you depend on that. It's going to be really important to get fixed. So again, they're not going to work on this really till July. And I don't have the recall campaign number, but again, it's going to be 22 to 25 Toyota Tundras, any trim level of Tundra. And you can go down to the link. It is safe. You can type in any VIN of any vehicle that you have and see if they are affected by any recall. But again, Toyota's on the hot block for this one. We'll catch you on the next one.